I've been sleeping on these for months, and now I feel like a damn idiot. Everyone told me to try the Status Pro X, and I didn't listen. But after a month or so of using these, I have to apologize. Let's talk about why these weird looking rectangles just replace my daily drivers. Yo, these buds absolutely shocked the hell out of me, and I don't know why. I've been sleeping on this company for years now, but I finally got the Status Pro X in the building, and I want to say to everyone telling me to try these buds out, I'm sorry for not listening, but hey, we are here now. These earbuds has been out for quite a while now. So let's get into my thoughts, opinions, and experiences with the Status Pro X. Let's get into it. First off, I didn't know how I felt about the rectangular look of these buds. Now, while everyone else is doing circular or stem style design, Status still kept it real and hit us with their weird looking shape that I've actually come to really like. Now I got the black alloy joints, and let me tell you, they look clean, minimalistic, and premium. They don't look like a pair of AirPod clones. Thank goodness. But the best part of this weird shape is the ergonomics. You can adjust the buds without accidentally pausing your music, skipping tracks, or even worse, hanging up on your mom's. How? Because of the physical button on top. It handles play, pause, and track skipping. It also has a competitive touch surface. So it's the best of both worlds. More options is always a good thing in my book. How do they fit and feel? I've got to be honest, out of the box, they're good. Now I swapped out these tips for the spin fit joints. With these, they are comfy and they are very snug fit, zero movement. And the seal feels perfect. I can listen to these for long periods of time without that ear fatigue that normally hits me at around the 40-minute mark. I've rocked these for hours straight while editing, and honestly, my ears was not on fire begging for relief. So let's talk about why you're actually here, and that is the sound. Status didn't just throw a cheap speaker in here and called it a day. We are talking 12mm dynamic drivers, dual nose balanced armature speaker drivers, and dedicated subwoofer. Now the soundstage is wide. Usually earbuds feel like the music is inside of your skull. These feel like the music is around you. The separation is top tier. I can hear the hi-hats over here. I can hear the vocals dead center, and the bass, oh my god. The bass, because of that dedicated subwoofer, the low end doesn't just thump, it vibrates, it's deep, and it doesn't muddy up the mids. And if you are a bass head like me, and you actually love that deep bass, let me know by hitting that like button so I know I'm talking to my fellow bass heads. And if you're on Android or using a high-res player, the LDAC support ensures you're getting that damn near lossless quality. Even on my Mac setup, the details is crispy. Alright, look y'all, I love these earbuds, I really do, but I gotta keep it 100 with you. No product is perfect, and neither are these earbuds. So let's get into that. Status, we need to talk ASAP. The app really needs some work. It feels a bit dated, and sometimes it struggles even to recognize that the buds are connected. And a smoother UI. I mean, it's functional, but it's not pro yet. The active noise cancellation is decent. It'll drown out the hums of my AC or the background noise in a coffee shop, but it's not beating Sony or Bose in a silence contest. Now, the ENC, environmental noise cancellation for calls, is solid. People could hear me clearly, but there is room for improvement. Now, here's a quick sound test, and you can be the judge for yourself. All right, y'all. So now what you guys are listening to are the microphones on the Status Pro X. So you let me know, how are the microphones? How do they sound? There's birds chirping in the background. So let me know if you can hear them or not. This is what it sounds like. So testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. And once again, these are the mics on the Status Pro X. So you guys let me know, what do you think down below in the comments. Battery life is solid. You're getting around 8 hours on the Buds with ANC on, and the case gives you plenty of refills. The case has wireless charging as well, which is dope, and it got IP55 water and dust resistance. Multi-point connection. Now this is a lifesaver. I can be connected to my MacBook Pro M5, editing a video, and if my phone rings, it switches over seamlessly. No menu diving. So what's the verdict here? These earbuds are absolutely monsters for the price. If you care about audio quality, first and foremost, these are a buy now recommendation. Now, what would I want to see in the next version of the Status Pro X or Y or whatever they're going to call the next version? A completely redesigned app. Stronger ANC to compete with the big dogs out there. Maybe a better looking case design. The current one is cool, but it's a bit meh. Status, I'm sorry for doubting you. These are my daily buds for now, but let me know, what are your daily earbuds at the moment? Alright y'all, so that's gonna do it for this review of the Status Pro X. If you enjoyed this video, then do the homie a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, what do you think of these rectangular buds? I appreciate you for watching, and as always, stay safe, and I'll holler at you in the next video. Later.